Hello students, today we are going to do exercise 13.3, question number 3 and 4. Express the following numbers in standard form. The first number is 5 followed by 7 zeros. स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म में नंबर को लिखने के लिए हम अपने डेसिमल को फर्स्ट नॉन ज़ीरो नंबर के बाद लाते हैं. यहाँ पे जो फर्स्ट नॉन ज़ीरो नंबर है दैट इज़ 5. तो हमें अपना डेसिमल पॉइंट वहाँ पे लेके जाना है उसके बाद. सो हाउ मच वी विल मूव राइट नाउ. दिस नंबर मीन्स द डेसिमल पॉइंट इज हियर. सो वी आर गोइंग टू शिफ्ट 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So in this case we are shifting 7. So we are going to write the number as 5 into 10 to the power 7. Second part, 7 followed by 6 zeros. So in this case again in the standard form हमें number फर्स्ट नॉन ज़ीरो नंबर के बाद डेसिमल को लेकर आना है. तो यहाँ से हम शिफ्ट करेंगे 1 2 3 4 5 6. So this can be written as 7 into 10 to the power 6. Third part, 3 1 8 6 5 0 0 0 0 0. यहाँ पे स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म में लिखने के लिए द फर्स्ट नॉन ज़ीरो नंबर इज 3. मतलब हमें डेसिमल को 3 के बाद लेकर आना है. सो हाउ मच वी आर शिफ्टिंग 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. The number now becomes 3.1865 into 10 to the power 9 because we shifted 9 places. Fourth part, 390878. So in this the first non-zero number is 3. So we'll write it as 3 into, we have to write the full number. Right. So in this case the first non-zero number is 3. डेसिमल का हमें यहाँ से 3 के बाद लेके जाना है. तो 1 2 3 4 5. द नंबर इज 3.90878 into 10 to the power 5. Fifth part, 39087.8. Again first non-zero number is 3. यानी कि हमें डेसिमल को यहाँ से 3 के बाद लेके जाना है. सो वी आर शिफ्टिंग 1 2 3 4. द नंबर नाउ बिकम्स 3.9087 into 10 to the power 4. Sixth part, 3908.78. First non-zero number is 3. So to write it in standard form, we have to shift 1 2 3. So 3.90878 into 10 to the power 3. Question number 4. Express the number appearing in the following statements in the standard form. So the first number is 384 followed by 6 zeros. This much meter. It is the distance between the earth and moon. We have to express it in standard form. So as I told you, standard form में लाने के लिए हम first non-zero number के पास decimal को लेके जाते हैं. So in this case, we will be shifting 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So this will become 3.84 into 10 to the power 8 meters. B part, speed of light in vacuum is 3 followed by 8 zeros. This much meters per second. तो यहाँ पे जब हम डेसिमल शिफ्ट करेंगे, वी आर शिफ्टिंग 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 3 into 10 to the power 8 meters per second. C. Diameter of Earth is 12756,000 meters. So we have to shift to the first non-zero number. यहाँ पर वो 1 है, तो हमें डेसिमल को 1 के बाद तक लेकर जाना है. We are shifting 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So the answer will be 1.2756 into 10 to the power 7 meters. D part. Diameter of Sun is 1 4 followed by 8 zeros. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So the first non-zero number is 1. हमें डेसिमल को 1 के बाद लेके जाना है. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. The answer will be 1.4 into 10 to the power 9 meters. E part. In a galaxy there are on average these many stars. That is 1 followed by 11 zeros. 1 2 So in this case it's just 1 followed by 11 zeros. I can write it as 1 into 10 to the power 11 stars. F part. The universe is estimated to be about 12 followed by 11 zeros. So we have to bring the decimal after 1. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. So in this case okay, I'm sorry, I think the number of zeros were less in the question. Let me count once. So this is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So in that case we are shifting 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. This brings us 1.2 into 10 to the power 10 years. G part. The distance of Sun from the center of the Milky Way galaxy is estimated to be. Now this is 3 followed by 20 zeros. इन क्वेश्चंस में एक बात बहुत ध्यान से करनी है, हमें ज़ीरोस बहुत ध्यान से काउंट करने होते हैं, अदरवाइज वी ऑल टेंड टू डू मिस्टेक्स देयर. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20. This brings us to 3 into 10 to the power 20 meters. H part. These many molecules are contained in a drop of water weighing 1.8 gram. So this number is 6023. And then we have 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 zeros. 19 zeros. So we are going to shift 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. This is 6.023 into 10 to the power 22 molecules. I part, the earth has these many cubic kilometer of sea water. So this is 1353 followed by 6 zeros. We have to bring the decimal after 1 to make it into standard form. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This number is 1.353 into 10 to the power 9 cubic kilometers. J part, the population of India was about this much in March 2001. So this number is 1353 followed by 6 zeros. I'm sorry. Yeah, so this number is 1027 followed by 6 zeros. So in this we are shifting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1.027 into 10 to the power 9. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.